Here's how you can make tandoori turkey and kind of mess it up.
So I'm using the recipe from Gordon Ramsay, but I'm putting a bit of a Pakistani twist on it. Mix butter, chili powder, cumin seeds, dried fenugreek leaves, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala, salt, pepper, olive oil, ginger, turmeric and garlic paste, lemon zest and juice, and cilantro. Carefully separate the turkey's skin from the meat and fill this with your compound butter. Make sure you get the breast, legs, and thighs. Rub all sides with white vinegar and also a mixture of chili powder and olive oil. Stuff the bird with onions, lemons, and its heart, liver, and neck. Make sure everything is tied up and then roast this at 425 for about 10 minutes or until everything is golden brown. Now this is the trick that Ramsay showed, where he actually places slices of bacon on the breast so that way it doesn't completely dry out. Then he pops it back into the oven to finish cooking.
It's 6 a.m. I put this bad boy in the oven around midnight, and apparently the general rule of thumb is to cook this for 30 minutes per kilo. So 4.5 hours turned into 6 hours because I overslept. But before I make the gravy, I'm just gonna wait until this cools down for a few hours. And let's get some of the gravy that I made from the drippings. Okay, so the inside still looks quite juicy. It's just the outside that I think I kind of messed up on. Oh crap, it's a bit dry. Damn it. I also remember checking the internal temp, and apparently it's supposed to be 165 and this was minimum 180. Okay, the skin's actually good at some parts. The flavor is there. It's a lot of masala, which is nice. I don't know, you guys be the judge. I'm giving myself maybe a 4.2 out of 10. It's still edible. I'm sure I'm going to make some nice turkey sandwiches in the coming days.